Good morning. In class today, we set up our notebooks. Now you're going to need 2 for your reading and writing classes. So if you do not have them right now, I believe they are still on sale at Walmart. If you only have 1 today, then we're just set up your reading one first, because for a little bit you could probably use some loose notebook paper for your writing. So what you do for your reading notebook, when you first open it, the very first page at the top, you will write word work. So each page is going to be divided in half to accommodate each letter of the alphabet. So A, B, and then when you turn the page, you'll have C, D, E, F, and so on, all the way until you get to W, X, Y, and Z. So that's what the first few pages are. At the top of the very first one, it says word work, and then A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So all the way to the end of the alphabet. Once that is done, and if you're not done, you can just pause the video. If you are done, you're going to do right after the page with W, X, Y, and Z, you're going to have 1 page for prefixes, 1 page for suffixes. All right. Then you're going to turn the page. Again, if you're not done, just pause the video here. But if you're done, you're going to turn the page. Now each unit we're going to do will have its own section, but we're going to start with Unit 1, Personal Narratives. Sorry about that. We're going to start with personal narratives. So the way it'll work is each lesson will have its own page. So like lesson 1, all of our notes will be here. Lesson 2, all the notes will be here, and so on. So that's how you set up your reading notebook. So that way, now if you have Post-its, you could put a Post-it here so you can flip right to it. If you don't, I would just maybe fold down this corner so you know when you see the folded down corner, that's Unit 1. And that's all it is. So we have word work in the beginning, going through each letter all the way to Z. And then right behind Z is prefixes and suffixes, which is still part of word work. And then we're going to have our unit notes. And that will take up the rest of the reading notebook. So once you have all of that done, your reading notebook is done.